Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I just want to do a quick little introduction on the truck before we get right into the video. So basically, 2 years ago, I purchased this 1972 Chevy C10. It was an original truck. It was in excellent condition, especially for the location I'm in, close to the ocean. But I had a plan to sort of lower the truck, put new wheels, maybe swap the engine, but basically keep it a budget build. And as you'll see in the video, we didn't really stick to that plan. It turned into a full build. I'm very happy the way it turned out. I don't think it could have gone much better, being my first time building a truck from the ground up. But anyway, that's enough of me rambling. Let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.